Hello, geometry students. This is a video for example 4 for geometry topic 3, lesson 3. Investigate reflections and rotations. Can you find a sequence of reflections that result in the same image as a rotation? So this is a rotation from here to here. Could we have a couple of reflections that would somehow map this to here? First, they drew a line through T, which was the point of rotation, and they reflected the quadrilateral over line P to here. Notice it meets all the rules of reflection by being the line P is a perpendicular bisector of segment L, L prime, and such. Then it says think about how to reflect the second image to the final image. And if you recall, perpendicular bisectors, so if K needs to end up at X, and J prime needs to end up at W, and L prime needs to end up at Y, you can do perpendicular, you can find the midpoints of those four segments, and I think they line up also with T. Let's see. Yes, they do. So there's your two reflections. It will also work as long as you put the line through T. I'm assuming it will work because they did this work after they had that image. So there was a little work to do there. Now they're wondering, can you perform the same constructions except draw a line P that it doesn't go through T and see if you can get the same results? Okay. First, draw a line P so that it does not cross through point T, then reflect the image across P, connect the corresponding parts to make J prime, K prime, L prime, M prime, and look for W, X, Y, Z and find the midpoint between those and see if we can have a line. So I will attempt to do that. If you want, you can go to the Savas site and try it on your own. I'm going to do it here. If you want to click pause while you go to the website and try it on your own first, you may, and then come back. All right, first draw a line that doesn't go through T. So a line doesn't go through T is a line that does not go through T. I know I'm going to reflect the image, so that's why I was trying to get it away from. I don't want it to be too close to that. Maybe I should move this. Let me try again. No, I'll keep it. All right, now I want to reflect that, and that is a transformation. We can reflect things about a line. Choose a line of reflection. There's my line of reflection, and I want to do that segment right there. And I want to do that segment right there, and there, and there. Okay. Now I'm regretting that I put the line there because this is so close. Let's go back and create segments. I know I need to have this segment point here needs to end up matching up with that one. And this segment needs to match up with this one. I don't mean segments, I mean points. And Z should pair up with this point here, and Y should pair up with that point there. Now I need to find the midpoints of those four segments, and I can do that with the tool, the midpoint tool. Midpoint of this segment and this segment and this segment. That's not that segment. Ugh. Undo. I don't know why it didn't undo it. Oh well, midpoint of this segment and midpoint of this segment. Those four appear to line up. I'm going to draw a line between those four puppies. Yeah. Look at that. They all line up. So you might think that's possible, but there's something wrong. I wonder if you know what it is. And it's hard to tell there, so I'm going to go to their answer, at least their diagram. Their diagram's a little better than mine, quite a bit better. So do you see something wrong, even though the midpoints all line up and form a line, do you see something wrong with why this is not a reflection? Okay. Here's the answer. It's not a reflection because they weren't perpendicular bisector. Those blue lines that I have here, or is that theirs? That's their diagram. Those aren't perpendicular. That's not a perpendicular bisector. Those are all up. They're not at 90 degrees. So you can't do, if it doesn't go through the point of rotation, you can't do a double reflection. Okay? And from that, they believe you can do the following. Which section were we on? I apologize. This was example 4. I think I had the wrong ones up. Example 4, that's these down here. Yeah, it's only problems 27 and 23. That's it for this video. Have a great day.